This oil is so good. It will glow your skin, guys. It will glow your skin. It will give you a radiant, popping and a healthy skin. Come with me, let me show you how to prepare this carrot glow oil to glow your skin. In this economy, guys, you still need to glow. This is just 1,500 naira oil. Are you seeing how my skin is shining? Let's do this. So you peel your carrot. This is my peeled carrot. You can use a carrot scraper or you use your knife to peel the skin of the carrot. Ensure that it is really clean. After that, you grate your carrot. This is me grating my carrot, okay? You grate your carrot. I used a plastic grater in grating my carrot. I grated all 4 carrots with my plastic grater. That is it. Then this is my grated carrot. This is my grated carrot, and after that I put it on fire. Sorry guys, before putting this on fire I used olive oil. I put olive oil in the pot, then I mixed my carrot and allow it to boil on fire. Let it boil for 20 to 25 minutes, then you bring it down and sieve. This is me sieving my oil, okay? I used my wick cap to sieve my oil. I allowed the oil to be cold. The heat changed the color of the carrot. The heat changed it to black, or let me say dark brown. So I am sieving now. This is me sieving my oil. You can see how it is. My oil came out really well. This is the process of doing your carrot oil. Very easy. This lightening carrot oil cost me just 1,500 naira for the carrot and 1,000 naira for the olive oil that I bought to mix with the carrot and do my carrot oil. This is how to prepare your lightening carrot oil. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, because this channel is your one-stop channel for effective and of course cheap product. Guys, on this channel we glow on a budget. Be sure to glow using cheap and effective products. So do well to join the community by hitting the subscribe button. This is my carrot oil. I don't have a better bottle, so I'm using the olive oil bottle to put my carrot glue oil. This is my carrot glue oil. Carrot oil is very good because carrot contain beta carotene, that is a very effective ingredient for lightening the skin. This oil will glow your skin. It will lighten your skin and give you a radiant, healthy looking skin. Let me just show you how it is on the skin. This oil can also be used on the hair. It is a very good oil. It will just give you this shine and radiance. So I used just 1,500 naira for this oil that you're seeing here, and this oil, believe you me, it will last you up to a month. This oil is so good. It will glow your skin, guys. It will glow your skin. It will give you a radiant, popping and a healthy skin. Alright guys, that is how to prepare your carrot oil. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so grateful that you sticked around to this moment. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Will you be trying this oil? I advise that you try this oil because this carrot oil is so good. It will moisturize your skin. It will brighten your skin. It will lighten dark areas on your skin and just give you a generally clean, healthy and a supple skin. This oil is so healthy. It will glow your skin. It is a super glowing body oil. Please, I would advise that you give it a try and come back with your feedback. Thank you so much guys for watching. I am so grateful. hit the subscribe button, and thank you. Have a pleasant time. Bye.